In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert text into an image in Microsoft Word. This is a very useful technique when you're creating posters, flyers, certificates, presentations, or instructional documents. Adding text directly on top of an image helps you deliver your message clearly while keeping your document visually appealing. The good news is, Microsoft Word already has all the tools you need, and you don't have to use any external editing software. To begin, open Microsoft Word and either create a new document or open an existing one where you want to place your image and text. Once your document is ready, move to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This tab contains tools that allow you to add different elements to your document. From here, click on Pictures and choose the image you want to use. After selecting the image, insert it into your document. You can resize or reposition it by clicking and dragging the corners until it fits your layout. Now that your image is in place, the next step is to add text on top of it. Go back to the Insert tab and click on Text Box. Choose a simple text box style. A text box will appear on your page, and you can drag it directly over the image. Position it exactly where you want the text to appear. Click inside the text box and type the text you want to display on the image. This could be a title, caption, label, or any message you need. After typing, you can customize the text by changing the font style, size, and color using the options in the Home tab. Choose a color that contrasts well with the image, so the text is easy to read. To make the text blend smoothly with the image, click on the text box border to select it. Then go to the Shape Format tab. From here, remove the text box outline by selecting Shape Outline and choosing No Outline. You can also remove the background of the text box by clicking Shape Fill and selecting No Fill. This makes the text appear as if it's directly part of the image. If needed, you can adjust the text box position or resize it for better alignment. You can also rotate the text box or apply text effects for a more creative look, as long as it stays clear and readable. Once everything looks good, your image with text is complete. This method keeps your document clean, professional, and visually engaging. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.